my God. Wait. Okay. Let's do it. My voice is broken, okay? That is the elephanto in the room. My voice is broken. I have no voice. Don't make fun of me, okay? I'm already fragile about this subject. Don't make fun of me. Thank you. My voice is deep enough already. And now I got sick. Will you enter my eye, sir, please? Turns out it will. Okay. Today, we're going to do something different. Oh my God, I hate my voice. I hate it. Look at this. Bam! I can't. Oh my God, no, my beauty blender. Can't just run away like this, okay? I don't know if I like my voice in general. This just made me really insecure. So don't bully me, okay? We're gonna do our freckles with this earring because I lost the small one. What does this voice remind you of? For me, it's like a tractor, you know, an old tractor. Oh my God, I already locked up. Trust the processo. Are you trusting it? I think you should. What you're gonna do is just smudge it out. Not me pretending that anyone is going to try to do this look. My God. This is the end of me. When we pull it with our finger like this a little bit. Okay. For all of you asking, no, these are not magnetic lashes. You can actually see the glue on them. Oh my God. Woo! Let's go. I'm not gonna say what this reminds me of. Let's not talk about it. I'm a belouche, so I don't look sick. Glossy. Let's take the hair out. The outfit change. Just gonna put on this necklace. Definitely time for us to finish this. So I'm gonna need some flashing. Bring this down a little bit like that. And then we are going to take this like this. Okay.